What's up, guys? Welcome back to Resell Life episode 33. In this episode, you're going to be seeing the live cop of the Yeezy foam runners in the ochre colorway, and unboxing featuring the Jordan 1 Sea Foam, the women's exclusive pair, the Jordan 4 Lightning as well. We're also going to be making a pretty big announcement about the channel membership program, what kind of perks you guys can expect to see from that. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and get ready for the live cop.
Good morning.
Exciting announcement, guys. We actually have access to channel memberships now. We just started doing them. You guys can see we have 4 different tiers. They come with a list of benefits for you guys, including percentages off merch, ACOs. You guys will get specific videos for channel members. We'll have specific live chats, and then you will also be able to get one-on-one botting help, reselling help with any questions that you may have. So if you guys want to get some of those cool benefits, you want to help support me, support the channel, hit that join button, and let's get back to the video.
Nice.
Let's go. Oof. One card is on night. Let's fucking go. Come on, bruh. Take out on night, please. Come on, please. Cancel.
I say we had bad luck. Stuck on 99. What do you mean stuck on 99? Ran mech, couldn't hit anything today. A lot of resi stroke. Yeah, it was just tough, guys. Honestly, you know, I was in the Quokka live chat event that they have going on right now. I was chatting with some of the guys in there. And a lot of them were telling me, I was like, oh man, you know, only got 5 today. And they were like, dude, I hit like 1. So I guess 5 is pretty good, considering I think there was 4,500 pairs. I'm not sure if anyone can confirm that or not, but from what I heard, there was 4,500 pairs total. So that's gonna be tough, guys. You got 4,500 pairs. Alright, guys, we have a couple packages to unbox. First one is a Jordan 4 Lightning in a size 13. This is a really nice pair right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on the wall back there, but I actually kept one of these for myself. Added it to the Jordan 4 collection, but this one in the Lightning colorway is pretty nice. It's yellow. We don't usually see something like this. And then just the black is really well contrasting, especially with the webbing and stuff in there. So this is a pretty good one, Jordan 4 Lightning. If you are a Jordan 4 guy, I would add this one to the collection. It's pretty good. The other shoe that we have to unbox is Jordan 1. It is in a women's size 12. And this is one that we haven't seen on the channel. It released a long time ago. And then I actually got this one off of a restock on sneakers, believe it or not. I actually got something off sneakers, which is pretty surprising. But I've heard that this one is pretty good, so let's take a look. Yeah, first look, I'm a big fan of this one. This is a pretty nice shoe right here. The quality and everything of the leather is really nice. And then just the color too. This is a very unique color. I feel like when you see this one, it stands out. You know exactly what it is. Also the laces, the white with a little orange trim on it, that's pretty nice as well. So I've noticed the women's exclusive shoes are getting a lot better, and I really like that, because there for a while it seems like the women's exclusive shoes were just colorways that they didn't think would make it on a regular Jordan 1, and now it seems like the women's exclusive shoes are getting really nice colorways that are desired by a lot of people. This is a really nice shoe and people are really going for it. I can see why. The quality and the color and everything like that is really nice. You got the suede on the back too. So really nice shoe overall. I'm a big fan of this one. Alright guys, that's going to do it for episode 33 of Resell Life. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you need reselling help, botting help, anything like that, be sure and check out the channel memberships. Like I mentioned earlier, it's the first link in the description. Go check it out. It would really help me out a lot, supporting me, support the channel. So I appreciate that, guys. And stay tuned for the new series that we have coming very soon about Resell as a whole. So make sure that you guys are subscribed with post notifications on, so you guys can be on those videos first. And also just so you know when we go live. We go live every single major release that we have. So make sure that you have your post notifications turned on. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Hey guys, just wanted to give a quick shout out to a couple new sponsors that we have on the channel. Right here you can see one of our cook groups, Huncho Supply. They are a new sponsor of the channel. They will be linked down there in the description. If you guys are looking for a cook group, you can get with them. Very good cook group to be in. So their link will be down there in the description. Also a shout out to Saw Servers. Saw Servers just hooked me up with another server. So now we have two 24/7 servers. If you guys are looking for a Saw server, get with me on Discord and I can get you guys set up with them and get you a great deal. So shout out to both of these new sponsors, and thank you so much for coming along the team.